Hi, I'm Laura, and today I'm going to take you through a relatively quick rotation of consciousness. So what that means is I'm going to list off parts of the body quite quickly, and you can take your attention from point to point, not needing to move any of those spots, but simply allowing yourself to feel what's going on there and moving your awareness throughout your body. This can help you to reset, to feel grounded, to notice what's happening in your body. So before we get started, just make sure you're comfortable. You can do this anywhere you'd like. Maybe you're in fact in transit or on the go, just as long as you're not driving. Maybe you're in bed, maybe you're sitting in a chair. Wherever feels best for you to be, just have it be somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed for the next 5 or so minutes and where you can allow yourself to settle. So wherever you are, bringing your awareness to your right big toe. Right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, baby toe. Sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, right ankle, lower leg, knee. Right thigh, right hip, buttock. Side of the right waist, right rib cage, right armpit. Right shoulder, upper arm, elbow. Right lower arm, palm, back of the hand. Right thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, pinky finger. Notice the entire right side of the body. Taking your awareness to your left big toe. Left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, pinky toe. Sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, left ankle, lower leg, knee. Left thigh, hip, buttock. Left side of the waist, left side of the rib cage, left armpit. Left shoulder, upper arm, elbow. Left lower arm, palm, back of the hand. Left thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, pinky finger. Feel the entire left side of the body. Taking your attention to your low belly, feeling your stomach, low rib cage, sternum, chest, collarbones. Noticing upper back, muscles along the spine, mid back, low back, sacroiliac region. Feel your entire torso. Drawing your attention to your throat, back of the neck, back of the head. Noticing the hairs on your head, your ears, your temples, your jaw. Bring your awareness to your chin, lower lip, upper lip, tongue, the inside of your mouth, the palate, inside of the right cheek, inside of the left cheek. Notice right cheek, right eye, left eye. The space between the eyebrows, both eyebrows. Bring your awareness to your forehead and feel your whole face. Notice your face, head. Become aware of the back of your body, the front of your body, your whole body. Imagine all the bones in your body growing very heavy. You feel your bones sinking down, rooting, grounding you. And imagine your skin very light. It is as though your skin is filled with helium and you float upwards. You contain both of these dualities, the heaviness that you can imagine in your bones, the lightness that you feel in your skin. Become aware of your whole body all at once. And wherever you are, notice your breath, not judging or changing it, just being aware of where the inhalations travel and where the exhalations go. Take your next inhale through your nose, long and deep, and through your mouth, let it out. We'll do that twice more. Deep, rich inhale through the nose and through the mouth. Last one. Big, full breath in and out. Allowing your breath to return to normal. If your eyes had closed, allowing them to open once more. And getting ready to go about your day. Bringing your palms together in front of the heart. Taking a moment of thankfulness for these 5 minutes you spent being aware of your body, rotating your consciousness around your physical self. And know that the light inside of me recognizes and honors that same light in each of you. Namaste.